Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mega High Tech Systems and you are on to learn with Icent Benson. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix that slow laptop. Whenever you put on your laptop, it tends to take time before it uploads. There are settings that you must fix for that laptop to be fast. So follow me on this channel as I teach you how you can fix that laptop. You don't need to spend money going to repair or fix that laptop. It's just a simple step. And please do subscribe to the channel and leave a like and leave a comment on the comment section. Please share this video if you find value. All right, let's go to the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys a few steps that you could take in order to speed up your computer a little bit. Your computer runs slow for various reasons, usually because your startup is a little clogged up. Also, Windows update tends to run whenever it wants to, usually every freaking day. Right. And on top of that, your computer has tons of things that you never use that are constantly running in the background while you are trying to use your computer. So let's take a few minutes and run you through a few things that you can do to definitely speed things up. If this video helps you, do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's show you how to do this. Alright, the first thing that you are going to do is go down to the search and type run. Select the run app, then type in msconfig. Select OK. Then go ahead and go to the startup tab and click open task manager. In this window is a list of all the programs that start up with your computer when you turn it on. If you see anything on this list that does not need to turn up, make sure that you disable. If you are unsure about a program, do not disable it. So to be clear, everything on this list should only be enabled if you want it to start up with your computer while you turn your computer on. Everything else should be disabled when you are done. Go ahead and close out the task manager and then click on the service tab. Service is another word for program or software that is running in your computer. Here on this list is everything that starts up with your computer when you turn it on. You want to make sure that you get through here and then you disable certain things that you do not want turning on with your computer. To make it easy for you, go ahead and hide all Microsoft services. That way you're not going to turn off something that you are not supposed to. Then go through this list very carefully and uncheck everything that you do not want turning on with your computer. Anything that has your computer name with it, or your Intel card, or your processor, or your processor chip, or your memory, or your graphics Intel, make sure you do not uncheck any of those. But things like Google updates and Epic online service, they can all be turned off. Again, if you are unsure about anything on this list, do not uncheck. You can also check Google really quickly. Type it in and see what it is before you uncheck. That way you can make sure that you are not turning off something that you are not supposed to turn off. When you're done, go ahead and click apply, then click OK. If you are prompted to restart your computer, go ahead and exit without restart. We've got more work to do. Next, go down into the search box and type in update and select check for all for updates. Make sure you go ahead and update everything you can on your computer. And if you are prompted to restart your computer for update, go ahead and do that. And then when you come back to you go ahead and go back down to the search and type in updates and come back to check for updates. Once you are all up to date with your computer, go ahead and click advanced option, then go down and pause until select date. And the reason why you're going to do this is because every time you turn on your computer, your computer will be checking for update. This slows down your process tremendously during startup and can cause all types of headache when running programs. I like to set mine for Saturday morning. That way, during the week when I am working or doing my gamings, I don't have any problem with Windows updating or trying to run in the background. When you are done, just go ahead and close the window. All right, now go ahead and turn on your antivirus program, whatever it is that you have protecting your computer. If you do not have an antivirus program protecting your computer, this is a big problem. You can, however, download free antivirus from your computer. All right, guys, if this tutorial all right guys, if you